In a dream on March 5th, 2017, Muhammad Qasim saw himself sitting in Masjid-i-Nabawi. I felt a very good feeling of peace, knowing that I am in the pure masjid of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And then I saw Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam coming towards me, and he sat right in front of me. And in his hands were 4 big-sized papers made of gold. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told me in a very excited tone that, Qasim, give this message of mine again to my nation, that whoever supports you is just like a person who has supported me, and that person will be with me on the day of judgment. And Qasim, give this message of mine to those people who are with you. They shouldn't worry about this work they have done as not being written as good deeds. They should never think of their work as no value, no matter what type of work it is. Even if someone does a very small amount of work, then Allah will never ever let it go to waste. Allah will multiply that work many times. This isn't any ordinary work which they are doing. They shouldn't think that I do not know their names and their contributions. Allah has written them on these papers, and I read their names and their work over and over, and Allah informs me of them directly. They have nothing to worry about, and they will be with me on the day of judgment. These golden papers which Allah has given me, I will carry them with me all the time. And on these golden papers are the names of those who will be with you in difficult times. Qasim, the true Islam of mine will spread throughout the entire world with the help of Allah. Make sure you deliver this message of mine to those people. I sat there quietly listening to everything Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. I wanted to read the names on the paper, but I couldn't move a single part of my body. I don't even know if my name is in there.